नील क्यों है?
My lord, the petitioner is a member of the PTI and was one of the candidates for the reserved seats. A list was filed by PTI, which was subsequently returned by the Election Commission, and she was on that list on behalf of PTI.
So why is it nil, your petition not numbered?
We were not parties to the proceedings in Peshawar, and we are filing on the basis of the law laid down by your lordships in H.M. Sayer's case.
Did you move an application to be joined as a party?
No, my lord, no, we did not. But H.M. Sayer's case gives us the right to...
We know H.M. Sayer.
I'll just place that in subsequent judgments in which your lordships have said that in fact...
The H.M. Sayer's case is if as a consequence of some judgment
Yes.
you are affected.
We are.
But this is not as a consequence.
It is, my lord, as a consequence
You were
of...
never declared as a candidate.
Yes.
You had a standalone grievance.
Our position
on day
is-
one. You never filed a petition.
No, our position is that...
My
if-
position.
Yes, my lord, but she represents the women's wing of the PTI and...
No. That's
Okay, my lord.
let's stay
My
in the realms
position,
of law.
my position is that had the Election Commission allowed reserved seats to SIC or to PTI, she would have been a candidate in the election. And by not permitting
You were
reserved seats,
aggrieved why you didn't challenge your grievance before any forum.
it was being challenged, it was being agitated. But it was being challenged by SIC before the Peshawar High Court, the Election Commission.
SIC का तो एक अलग है ना. I think neither you are appreciating the conflict. Almost, you are a standalone candidate. You are being deprived.
Yes, I am being deprived,
So
and
then you
therefore...
have a right to agitate.
Quite so. And therefore I am affected by this judgment, and H.M. Sayer's case applies to me on all
आपका
fours.
नाम उस लिस्ट में था जिसमें पीटीआई
जी जी पीटीआई
की लिस्ट में आपका नाम
जी
था?
जी जी
इधर है लिस्ट आपकी दिखाएं.
जी
पेज. जी. The page.
No, it's not been filed yet. I just got it, my lord. But I will file it if I may.
ये तो सारा आपका केस ही इस पे बिल्ड अप हो रहा है.
I've asserted it. I've stated it.
कौन सी वाली लिस्ट में नाम है ये?
Application. The list is here. This was the list that was presented, and this list was returned.
Mr. Salman Raja, neither is your petition numbered. Now you're producing enough notice has been given. Now you're producing a piece of paper on which your entire case rests.
I will file it.
I mean, it's not something that has just come in your hands. This is your document.
My lord, इसमें मैंने दो दिए, and then also we filed a writ petition in the High Court saying.
चीज का जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे हैं किसी चीज.
My lord, I have
बस आपने
stated
कहा
it.
ठीक है बस.
No, my lord, I'll explain. But in between, there was a problem with the sealing of the office and so on, and this was actually recovered quite late in the day. Eid holidays came in, and I've just received it, and I will file it. My apologies for not being able to file it earlier, but we were struggling with the sealing and the de-sealing of the
ये
office.
लिस्ट में तो सिर्फ दो नाम हैं.
जी, इसमें यही चाहिए थे.
ये लिस्ट तो कॉलम
नहीं, but because the law says as long as you filed a list, later on you can add
This is
to
the
it.
only list.
Yes, for the
Of
National
PTI.
Assembly. Yes, for the National Assembly. And
I'll ask you this question again.
Yes.
This is the only list of PTI for women.
yes.
Two candidates only.
Yes, because we knew that ultimately the law allows us to supplement this
अब
list.
आपसे आर्गुमेंट नहीं पूछ रहे.
Yes.
आप फैक्ट पूछ रहे हैं.
I've said so.
So if you don't think there's a danger in the
No.
answer.
No, this is the list that was filed.
Okay.
And therefore, at that time, when this list was filed, the expectation was that after the election, we would
Sorry,
be...
this is the list for reserve list for seats
For women.
women in from Punjab.
Yes.
So you filed separately for the other provinces.
Yes.
And for the
I'll file them all.
and for the provincial.
Yes.
अब तक फैक्ट्स आपको नहीं पता है.
नहीं, मुझे पता है.
अभी मैं आपसे 3 दफा ये सवाल पूछा. My lord has to point out कि भाई पंजाब वाली लिस्ट है.
Yes. So I am filing the list before your lordships, in which she is named.
There should be a sense of responsibilities. How can we just accept it? That's why we want documents filed before
I will
the other
file.
party gets a chance to at least consider it.
The Election Commission actually has filed things which have just come to my attention this morning. They've filed something over the weekend.
They have filed it, no?
Yes, but this I'm submitting. I will file, make copies available to them.
They shouldn't have come to your attention this morning because we got it yesterday and it was filed. वो देखिए इलेक्शन कमीशन ने कब फाइल किया.
My lord.
तो आप कल निकलवा लेते ना.
Well, I will file this. My apologies for to that.
Raja, so the petitioner you say is a person who was on the reserve seat for women?
Yes, for
Now,
Punjab.
what's your precise grievance against the judgment?
No, if I may now, that's the entirety of the case then, if I may proceed with that. And I will file this. My apologies for not having filed these earlier. These will be properly
And you
filed.
filed CMAs also. Can you just give us numbers of everything simultaneously?
Yes, Manoj. Yes, Manoj. I've also filed a CMA 5839. This actually shows that
Oh, that's it? Or is there another CMA?
No, this is the CMA. It's been filed.
5839M.
In CMA
ये
3554.
बस यही दो documents हैं ना?
So इसी के अंदर ही है.
So far, these are the documents, but I'll file this today. So CMA 3554.
I always say when the case is over, you can file it.
Manoj,
Tell us your grievance, please. We don't understand.
let me argue the case
please
if I
get
may.
on with it, na,
Yes,
बताएं.
Manoj, I am. Manoj, this CMA 5839. Ji.
Just one point. The applicant before you in paragraph number 2 states that she is president of PTI's Women Wing. Under section 203 of the Elections Act, a person cannot be a member of two political parties at one time. So if the applicant wishes to be considered or claims that she should have been considered as a candidate of SIC, he had to obviously join SIC.
But he hasn't argued what her
Let me
case is.
argue,
You're
let me
preempting
argue. I
that.
said अभी ये point out
Let him
कर रहा हूँ.
state whether it is.
Section
तो आप अपने
आप बैठिए, आप बैठिए।
अपने
पहले
टाइम
से
पे
ही
करिए
शुरू
ना.
करा
बैठिए।
होगा। उसको बताने तो दें grievance.
Manoj, the grievance goes to the heart of the matter as to what is the interpretation of Article 51(6), read with Section
See,
104.
first of all, tell us who you are, which is your party.
My party is the PTI, and I was one of the candidates in the list filed by the PTI for reserved seats in the National Assembly
Did you
from the
join
province of
Sunni
Punjab.
Ittehad Council?
No,
You're the only one.
No, they can't.
no, because I have not been elected. So I remain unelected, and I...
okay.
आपको तो select करना था ना किसी पार्टी
And
में.
therefore,
आप
I am
तो-
aggrieved of the fact that seats have not
ये
been
reserve seat क्या है?
offered to PTI or the Sunni Ittehad Council.
अच्छा, आप candidate थे.
So I am a candidate who was denied because this list was not accepted by the Election Commission ultimately. And against
You
it-
are invoking your right under the reserved seats.
Yes.
That's what.
so she was a candidate.
Reserve seat on the basis of general seat won or secured by PTI.
Yes, or ultimately I would have joined SIC had
और की
the
बात नहीं है,
occasion
देखिए,
arisen.
और की बात
आप
नहीं है।
अपना grievance पहले
जी,
बताएं.
आप-
Let's hear your case,
आपके-
then we'll ask.
आपके फॉर्म 6 देखिए ये मसले सारे फॉर्म से बने हैं ना, ये फॉर्म 66 है। फॉर्म 66 में बताया जाता है कि जो रिजर्व कैंडिडेट होता है उसको अपनी पार्टी एफिलिएशन
बता
बतानी
दी, तहरीक इंसाफ।
आपने तहरीक इंसाफ
जी, जी, तहरीक
ठीक
इंसाफ।
तो इसका मतलब ये है कि तहरीक इंसाफ के कैंडिडेट होने के नाते आप चाहते हैं कि आप तहरीक इंसाफ की रिजर्व सीट पे तहरीक इंसाफ के लिए इलेक्ट हो।
No, मैं दोनों बातें चाहता हूँ. Either that, there are two ways forward. दोनों
आप
में चाह
अपना
सकता हूँ
grievance
ना.
बताइए
दोनों
ना
में
जी।
let me
दोनों
argue.
बताइए कैसे हो सकता है?
There are two routes now. Either I be elected as a PTI candidate or I be allowed to join SIC and be elected as an SIC
कोई
candidate. Both-
आइन या कानून इसकी इजाजत
जी
देता
देते
है
हैं
कि आइदर का लफ्ज है।
जी मैं अर्ज करता हूँ ना, मुझे इजाजत दीजिए. That is the heart of the matter. Now, if I may, allow me to start with the reading of Article 51. I respectfully submit that some aspects of it need to be re-examined. And my basic propositions are simple. Let me just state those. That there is nothing in Article 51(6)(d) or E.
Hey, Mr. Salman Raja, I think coming to that argument will be later. We just want to understand the connection first. This is a woman who wanted to come in on the reserve seats. She could have only come in had some independent or a political party would have, a PTI ki list mein thi. So your question first would be that PTI has actually a political party in the elections. That was dislodged by the ECP's decision. Did she challenge that decision of the ECP?
In a writ petition, yes.
She did challenge that.
The other
वो तो हमारे सामने नहीं है ना.
Where is that decision?
Step wise चले ना.
जी, जी.
She was aggrieved of the fact that her political party, which were to elect her,
Yes.
was somehow taken out of the scheme.
Yes.
So that decision, did she challenge?
The women's wing, other members of...
Where is that decision?
पर वो भी मैं आपको देता हूँ, मुझे एक minute,
सलमान साहब ऐसे तो नहीं आर्ग्यू होते
इस तरह ना करें ना।
मुझे अर्ज करने दें, मुझे अर्ज करने दें।
देखिए ना, एक तरीके
It's
से
here, it is here, it is here. I need to file
No,
it.
बिल्कुल करें आप, लेकिन लेट्स नॉट जंप द गन, लेट्स गो स्टेप वाइज। आप कहते हैं कि मैं एक रिजर्व सीट की कैंडिडेट हूं, पीटीआई अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी स्कीम में आएगी तो आपको इलेक्ट करेगी। पीटीआई को आउस्ट कर दिया ईसीपी ने, बिल्कुल आप उसको चैलेंज कर सकते थे, उसको चैलेंज किया है और उसका फैसला हमारे सामने है, तो हम देख सकते हैं ना। अब आप किस तरह आ रहे हैं, हाउ डू यू जस्ट स्किपिंग ऑल दैट एंड यू सेइंग डायरेक्टली कमिंग टू अस?
मैं ये अर्ज कर रहा हूँ, the election commission took the position both in this matter, the reserved list.
What is the position of election commission is irrelevant. They may be taking a wrong position. My lord का सवाल ये है, they passed an order, did you challenge it? You said yes.
Yes.
So where is that order?
मैं अभी आपको देता हूँ.
ये अभी की बात नहीं, but that's not been assailed.
No, no.
That been assailed before us?
No, allow me to explain. Then I filed my petition, which is before your lordships, in which I said I be treated as a